So hey guys, in today's video we are going to show you how you can create this type of GIF file and this type of GIF file on your Canva. You can use this type of GIF file on YouTube community tab section, Instagram post section, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Facebook and many other social media platforms. This type of GIF file is a new concept where you can increase your followers, likes, subscribers on the social media platforms like YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, Pinterest and many other. Today we are going to show you how you can create this type of GIF file or similar to this type of GIF file on Canva account. I'm using Canva account to create this type of file, and there are various benefits of GIF file using in a community tab of YouTube where you can generate a suggestion of your next video. So let's start how to create this type of GIF file on Canva. I am here on my Canva account to create this type of GIF file. First we have to go to create a design tab and click on custom size section. Here I will selecting a 2160 pixels by 2160 pixel and click on a create design. Before that I am selecting this type because this is a square type of GIF file where all the social media platforms support square GIF files. That's why we are using this type of files. There are various benefits of Canva. If you want a separate video on the benefits of Canva, I will create it. Please comment and I will create that video. Before that, let's create a GIF file video or GIF file image on Canva. For that, here you can see a blank space, a blank page is created. For that, first you have to see here there are various templates which you can use, but no, we are creating our own. So let's start. For that we have to go on the video section and search. You can see there are various types of radial shining videos which you can say seeing, and coming here you can use any of them. If you have a pro account you can use any of them. I have a pro account and I'm using this for that creating a GIF file. So guys, for setting as background, first you have to right click on this video and you can see there is a set video as background. There you can click on and you can see our video is set as background on that blank template. So guys, now we want a numbers into this background. So for like this type of numbers 100k, then you have to click on element section and type number and press enter, and for that you have to come this section and select animated because it will show only animated numbers, and press apply filter. Here you can see you can get animated numbers. You can use any of them. We are using this type of numbers. So for that you have to click here and it can directly come to here, and if you want many other number similar to this you have to click here and then you will click on see more like this option where you can use various type of numbers similar to this, and we will now use 2 and 5. You can see here all three numbers are displaying, and for that you have to select all these three numbers to reduce their size. I'm selecting this number and reducing the size. You can see here I reduced the size and put it here, and now I'm separating three of them with each other, and now you see the number is a little bit short, so we can drag it outwards and then see these numbers are looking very good. And you can use a text like and type header, or you can use this type of fonts, ready-made fonts which you can use on Canva. It is totally free. If you have a pro account, all the fonts are free for you, but if you don't have a pro account, limited number of fonts is available for you and you can use any of them. It is very great fonts, and if you can see I am typing here K and I am deleting this sales, and if you see here I've created K and now I am dragging this 2 and selecting three of them for reducing the size. If you see here I'm reduced the size to this much and putting it here, and the K to this section. See guys how it is looking? It is looking great. And now I'm reducing the size 12 seconds to 2 seconds up to here. Guys, you can see this, there are 2.0 seconds is the size of our GIF file. Little bit faster, I know, but the size of GIF file is very good for posting it on a community tab of YouTube. Now we use some type of elements like Pixton, and now we can use any of them like this. I am selecting, guys, this one and putting a little bit animation on them. For that you have to click on animate section, and there are various animation options you can see. You can use any of them. I'm using this one. I'm using like stomp. I'm using stomp animation, and for that I'm reducing the size on. Guys, I'm using stomp animation, and you can see here a beautiful GIF file is created, and if we play here you can see a GIF file is created. If you want more editing, you can put your texture, put your element and various other fonts, your text. I'm using this only, and I'm now exporting this GIF file into a GIF format. Guys, remember, if you want to post this GIF file onto your YouTube community tab section, then you have to use only GIF option, because .mp4 option is not supported in the community tab section of YouTube. Then you have to click on download, and then there are various options you can export it, but we are going to export it on GIF format, and I'm clicking here and click on download. So guys, here our downloading starts. After the downloading complete, I will show you how this GIF file looks. So guys, this is our GIF file. Looks interesting. That's for today.